Tonight's Bodycam footage takes us to Miami Beach, Florida, where officers respond to a domestic disturbance call involving none other than professional boxer Gervonta "Tank" Davis. What starts as a dispute over a car quickly spirals into an emotional confrontation and ends with Davis in handcuffs. The video begins with officers questioning Davis outside his home. He's calm but defensive, as police ask the usual safety question.
Sir. Any weapons on you?
Huh? What is that? The charger, man. The charger. Ain't nobody.
Get anything on you?
Stay with him. I'm at my house.
Okay, I don't know. I'm asking you. Gotta ask you. Who's in the car?
This is my car. She took my car.
Who's she to you?
We'll just be right here. My child mother.
Oh, okay. All right. Does she have any weapons?
No.
All right. Just put down your phone for now, sir. What's your name?
15, they're going.
Gervonta.
What?
Gervonta. She's trying to take my car, and I don't want her to take my car.
She's trying to leave?
Yeah, she's trying to. But I got a driver to be able to take her wherever she want to go.
That works.
He claims his child's mother tried to take his car and that he just wants her to leave. But something in his tone tells officers this situation might be more complicated.
So?
Who you live with?
Oh, my daughter and my other daughter.
There was no answer. Call back.
How old is she?
4. She 4. I don't want people to see me.
Let's just come up here.
All right, sir. What's your side of this?
She's trying to take my car. This is my truck. All my keys is placed on the counter in there. She took my car key and she's trying to leave with my car.
Okay.
That's it.
Where does she live?
Huh?
Where does she live?
I don't know her exact address, but
does she live in Canada? Does she live in the United States?
Come on, man. Y'all.
No, but she's local or she's visiting.
She's local.
Does she live in Parkland?
No, she don't live in Parkland.
What city does she live in? Help me out.
I don't know. She can tell you better than that. You were just talking to her.
I know, but I'm asking you.
Where's she trying to go with it?
I'm new. I mean, I just moved here a year ago. I don't know what part of it.
That's your baby?
Yes, that's my daughter.
Does the baby live with you or with her?
Well,
And you don't know where your baby lives?
you trying to make this about...
I'm trying to find out what happened.
Okay, wasn't you just talking to her? Can she provide all them information to you?
Well, let me ask you this. I was just talking to her. What if she told me that you beat the piss out of her and you jumped on top of her and started punching her in the face? Should I just go ahead and take that as...
When police speak with the woman, her story takes a sharp turn. She says Davis hit her, striking her near the ear and across the face. Officers notice visible swelling and a small cut on her lip. Now, this is where things start to shift. What was a simple domestic dispute suddenly becomes a potential domestic violence case.
But don't you know...
It's your side of the story. Give your side.
Have you just talking to her, though? What the information that she gave you, can't she tell you...
You want me to just take everything she says?
I'm not from here.
Okay, but you want me to just take everything she says as fact?
All I'm just saying is I'm not from here. I don't know her exact address.
Okay, that's fine.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not asking for her exact address. How did she get here?
She drove with my car. Yes, my car.
To get here?
Yes, my car.
Okay.
Yes.
Did you give her that car?
No, I did not.
Did you let her drive that car?
Yes.
17 Bravo 3 copy now.
Moving around with my car.
Well, she got here. From wherever she lives, she drove the car here, so she takes the car home.
No, she don't.
9-1 drop off 5851 Holbrook Road.
Is it in your name?
5851 Holbrook Road.
Under my name.
You want her to leave today?
Yes, I want her to leave.
How is she supposed to leave?
Case 1329.
I have a
Can she get a ride? You said you have a driver.
Hold on, just hold on.
Yes.
How is she going to leave?
You trying to make
How is she going to leave? What do you mean, what do I mean?
I have somebody that, I have a driver that will take her wherever.
Get him over here then. If you're going to kick someone out of your house, you know.
Sir, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that.
I don't have to, I'm sorry. I don't have to do what?
Bravo 17 Bravo 3
Did you put your hands on her?
No, I did not. Of course she's going to tell you if she did. Okay,
did.
well, okay,
I'm
why
just
did you ask
asking
me
you.
that? Why did you ask me
Because that's my job, my man. That's my job. He hit you like behind the ear, kind of in the head?
Here, my head.
Where your hand is?
Yes.
Is it swollen or anything?
No, it just hurts.
It just hurts?
Yes.
Okay, so he hit you like that. Then how about the lip? How did that happen?
Because how he hit me. Like, probably like with the hand, but I don't.
So that was one strike
Yes.
that got both the side of your head and then
This side of my face.
came across the side of your face and caught your lip, and your lip like looks like it probably hit your tooth inside your mouth and caused a little abrasion there. What is that? Your alarm? Is that your alarm?
Because the gate messed up now.
Oh, okay. Hey, listen. This is going a little bit different now. She's alleging that you hit her.
Of course you're gonna say that.
Okay,
Because she wanted. Come on, bro.
This is a good thing is that you got cameras all over your house. So if you hit her, it will be on camera, right?
Yeah.
Just like if you didn't hit her, it would be on camera.
Yeah. Of course
Okay.
you're gonna say that.
Well,
But the only thing is, I gotta wait till the driver get here because he's the one that works the
the
camera.
cameras? Okay.
Back with Davis, officers confront him with the accusation. He denies everything, saying she's lying because she's upset. But when police mention the injuries they saw, his frustration grows. He says his security cameras will prove his innocence, but claims only his driver can access the footage. The officers aren't buying it.
All right, well, we're not going anywhere. Is this your driver?
No.
Oh. How you doing? How you doing, sir? Good. All right. We're just waiting. My supervisor's coming over.
You see what's going on.
I'm sorry?
You see what's going on. She just want to say
To be honest with you, I don't know what's going on because she's saying you hit her. She does have a mark on her lip, and it's under.
I have a mark right here.
Did she hit you? She was getting ready to leave
So why she
because
said
then
that-
she told the other deputy that you hit her.
Right. So she want something to happen since I.
Well, maybe she does. Maybe she does. But this is what happens when when folks don't get along. I got to figure it out. You're being a little evasive with me.
How?
Because every time I ask you a question, you suck your teeth and you say, "Oh, come on, man, you know what's going on." You're not giving me any really straight answers. I asked you to give me your driver's license. You bring me out a passport. I asked to see your daughter. You said no, I don't want her to see the police.
I showed you.
You did, but I wanted to see her, and now I'm gonna have to talk to her because she said that when you hit her, it was in front of her, the baby.
Moments later, the lead officer makes the call. You're going to jail for battery. Davis is stunned. He argues. He protests. But the decision is made. Officers cuff him and prepare to check on his 4-year-old child inside the home.
The 4-year-old. You're gonna go to jail.
Turn around.
For battery.
Turn around.
Domestic violence.
Put your hands behind your back.
You got handcuffs?
Hey, the little one inside.
You don't gotta ask me about it.
Well, we need to make sure she's with somebody.
She's okay. She's with somebody.
Okay, listen, I get you that you're upset, but we can't just say.
Tight.
What's your first name? What's your first name? We can't just say that she's just with somebody. We have a duty to make sure that she's with the right people. Okay, so where's the mother of that child? What's his first name?
Gervonta.
Gervonta.
Listen, real quick. It's either that.
Ain't no more talking.
No, there is more talking because otherwise.
It's not.
So you would rather we take the child?
Y'all can't walk in. So I just said somebody in there. Y'all cannot walk into my house. No, y'all can. No, y'all cannot. No, y'all cannot.
Okay.
I
So
cannot walk
what we're
into
gonna
my
do,
house.
what we're gonna do is going to end up calling Child Protective Services, and Child Protective Services will come out here, and Child Protective Services will take custody of the kid.
I just said somebody in there.
Yeah, but I don't know who that someone is,
Okay.
and I can't just leave your daughter or your son with somebody. That's my point. We're looking out for you. Who's he? Who's he? Okay.
Can you explain to me what's going on?
He's going to jail for domestic violence. Okay. I'm trying to explain to him. He has a 4-year-old inside the house. Okay. We have to make sure that 4-year-old is with someone that can be trusted, that he's okay with, and that we're okay with. Okay. He's playing hard with us right now because I get it that he's upset, but we can't just leave the 4-year-old here without double checking who that 4-year-old is with, where is the mother of the child, where we can try to get the mother of the child to come over here. I get he's upset, but we still have to watch out for the 4-year-old.
Okay.
Okay.
I understand.
So, but it's not just, he doesn't understand, it's not just somebody. We have to, we can't just
He's
leave
right
the
here.
4-year-old
He's
out.
I'm right here. Listen.
The manager's right here.
I know his.
So
I know
Where
his
is the
daughter.
mother?
the mother's not here.
Where is she?
She's not here. She's not in her state.
Yeah, she doesn't live in Florida.
She don't live here.
You have custody?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you give me the basis of the arrest?
Domestic violence.
Okay. On what premise?
He struck her.
Okay. What proof do you have of that?
We have,
Because obviously he has a gash on his face. He was
okay,
struck.
listen.
Go ahead.
We have domestic violence. He struck her. He's going to go to jail. We can't, he has to go to jail.
Okay, now
You cannot strike somebody.
Hold on. Hold on. Do you have that wishing that? Do you have that
Yeah,
on?
I see
pictures
everything. I
or
see the
anything?
mark on her too.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So how can you just go off with somebody? I struck her. I never struck her.
You're his manager, not his
I never struck
attorney.
her.
I'm doing that.
I get it.
We'll do it. Not you. We'll do it.
They're gonna do it. Okay? You don't walk up on cops doing their job. And if I tell you to back up, I'm gonna tell you to back up. So I'm gonna tell you to back up. Now I'm gonna do it this way.
I'm right here.
No, I want you to back up. That's how we're gonna do it. You don't walk up on cops doing something.
I wasn't walking
Especially
up on
when someone tells you not to.
You didn't see it, sir. He had his property.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
We'll give you his property
If
when
he's-
we're ready to give you the property.
He was giving it to me. He was
Okay.
handing it to me as keys. You see, I have them in my
Leave.
hand.
Leave. Go. Goodbye.
Davis insists someone is watching the child, but refuses to say who. That raises another red flag for police, who now must ensure the child's safety. As Davis is being taken into custody, his manager arrives, challenging the officer's decision. But the cops stand firm, reminding him not to interfere. The situation becomes tense, but officers stay in control.
All right, so we're gonna go in, get your shirt on, and we'll wait a little bit, and we'll take it from there. You wanna hold your shirt?
Gervonta Davis, 30 years old at the time, was arrested and booked at the Turner Guilford Night Correctional Center on a domestic battery charge. His bond was set at $10,000, and he was released the same day. Whether this was a misunderstanding or something more serious, the footage shows how quickly domestic disputes can escalate, even for celebrities. If you found this breakdown interesting, hit that like button, subscribe for more real police body cam footage, and drop a comment on what you think really happened here. Until next time, stay safe and stay aware.